This next headline comes out of the Stafford County Sheriff's Office in Virginia. And they're warning us about these fake order notification text messages. And they share an example with us, which I always appreciate when these warnings actually share an example, because you can see what they're talking about here. But this is an example of a fake order text messages that is circulating. It says that you've created a withdrawal request, $522 at Walmart. If this wasn't you, cancel it via, and then it has the fake website to click. And this is just another example of a classic fake order notification. We did a video about this one on our YouTube channel, and I highly recommend that you go check it out, because these fake order notifications, they're targeting you over the phone with phone calls. They're targeting you over the phone through text messaging. They're targeting you with emails. And how the scam works is they just claim an order was placed. And the idea is they want to trick you into calling a number to cancel it or dispute it. Sometimes they'll claim you purchased an iPhone. Sometimes they'll claim you purchased a PlayStation. Sometimes they don't list the item, but they'll say there was a charge of $522 at Walmart, just like this example shows. You need to be suspicious about these notifications. Never trust the links that are included, because if you click that link, it's going to take you to a fake website. Never trust the numbers, the phone numbers to call either, because they'll call a scam call center that will be waiting for your call, and they'll impersonate Walmart, and they'll try to scam you. So you need to be suspicious about any kind of notification about orders, just like this Sheriff's Department is warning us about here. And go check the video we did about this one too. We shared a lot of examples of these scams in that video. So important to be aware of these fake order notifications and not to fall for it. So thank you to the Stafford County Sheriff's Office for warning the public about this one.